आज मैं बनाने वाली हूँ फ्रेंच टोस्ट। तो इसके लिए ये बहुत ही सिंपल सी रेसिपी है। इसके अंदर हमें क्या चाहिए, दिस इज़ नॉर्मल कोल्ड मिल्क जिसको मैंने एक प्लेट के अंदर निकाला है बिकॉज आई नीड अ ब्रॉड डिश फॉर दिस। नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू, अनदर थिंग विच आई एम गोइंग टू रिक्वायर इज सम पाउडर्ड शुगर जिसको हम ऊपर से गार्निश करेंगे। इस कोल्ड मिल्क के अंदर हमने कोई शुगर ऐड नहीं करी, इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली sugar free right now. And along with it I am going to make it, as I am going to make a French toast, obviously I require some bread, so I am using a whole wheat bread. So let's begin. Now for making this French toast, what I am going to do is I am going to take my bread slice and I am going to dip it in the milk, but not for long, just dip it and flip it up, and then let the extra milk drip out. And then what I am going to do is I have kept my tawa on flame and it's greased with the ghee. Now I am going to put this bread on this tawa and let it get cooked up easily without touching it. It will take around 2 minutes to get cooked and get crispy outside. And right now my flame is on low to medium, so let it get heated up and cooked up properly and get a nice golden brown color. Now let's try to flip it up. Yeah, so as you can see we have got a good golden brown color on the top. Now let it get cooked on the other side as well. This bread will be super crispy from out and it will be very soft and moist from inside. That is the beauty of this French toast, and it is eggless. And now after it's cooked, we will top it up with some powdered sugar and some chocolate syrup. Let's grease it up with little bit of ghee. Whenever you are making some recipe like a French toast or something, always remember to use ghee instead of oil, because like milk and ghee both are from the same ingredient, so they will gel up very nicely. Now let's try to flip it up and let's see if both sides are cooked properly. Little bit is left from this side, as you can see, so we will flip it and cook it on this side, little bit which is left. Maybe you can gently press it so that wherever it is left from getting cooked, we can just press it little bit gently so that it is cooked properly and gets nice and crispy. So friends, our French toast is ready to be served. Let us plate it up. So I am going to top it up with little bit powdered sugar. Over this I am going to add some chocolate syrup. And then I have some crushed peanuts, so I am going to top it up over this, just little bit. You can even put almonds or cashews as per your need. Then our second toast is also ready. So tempting it looks now. As it's little bit undone, we'll gently press it so that it gets crispier as the above side. So as you can see, we have placed the second layer over it. Again I am going to top it up with little powdered sugar. As it is totally without sweet, if you are preferring to use no sugar, you can take it without sugar as well. Just sprinkle some chocolates and some nuts of your choice. Now let's sprinkle some chocolate syrup over it. This is the most tempting thing I love about this French toast, and the kids, they just love it. They find it so drooling. And now some peanuts. So here it is. I hope you like my video, and do share, like and subscribe my channel, and keep waiting for more such easy recipes. Take care. Bye bye.